Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to My Deep Guide and to the first episode of a new segment that I'm going to be calling How Honest Are They? Now in this one, I'm going to be going through video marketing material, commercials, announcements, or even some articles about the upcoming gadgets or news or releases, and actually just go through it with the honesty magnification glass on my mind. In this case, TopJoy Butterfly. I have never seen the announcement video that they've done, and I think it was released in October 9th of last year. Now, even though I did coverage on this, I completely missed it out. Maybe that's because their YouTube channel is not that popular. So here's what I mean. And in this case, it's TopJoy International, official YouTube channel, 9 subscribers. And we have the entirety of 3 videos and 2 shorts.
Introducing TopJoy Butterfly, pocket-sized DES e-reader with Android 11 system.
Okay, it's actually a cool quality. I like the production quality here, but unless I'm mistaken, this device is not auto-waking up. Nope, it's already on, so we don't see auto wake up functionality.
TopJoy Butterfly e-reader supports 150 ppi full color display. With the true
nice
color
CG
DES screen, it provides rich and vivid color for your reading. Come with a stylus with eraser. TopJoy.
Did he say come with the stylus and eraser? Where? It sounds like, let me just check.
Stylus with eraser. Come with a stylus with eraser.
Okay, so that to me sounds like somebody, really weird spy movie is saying like, come with a stylus and eraser. All right.
Come with a stylus with eraser. TopJoy 7.8-inch e-reader.
That's probably the code when you reach the door. It's like TopJoy 7.8-inch e-reader.
TopJoy 7.8-inch e-reader supports.
Isn't it called TopJoy Butterfly? Never mind.
TopJoy 7.8-inch e-reader supports writing, drawing, note-taking on files, giving the best paper-like experience.
Oh, that did not look good. All right, let's best paper-like. Okay, so let's kill the volume and slow this down to see. Because it looked like there was a very distinct disconnect and lag, of course, between the pen and what it was. Oh. Wow. But the point of the series is how honest are they? And they're honestly, shamelessly showing how horrible the performance of the device is. So we're not judging the performance of the device, we're just talking about how honest the presentation is. And this is fairly honest. It's just alarmingly bad, but fairly honest. All right, let's continue on. So that's what we can expect from drawing performance of the TopJoy Butterfly. All right.
Giving the best paper-like experience. Let your creativity shine by making sketches and leaving handwriting notes.
Wait a minute, we gotta unpack a whole lot of things here, because that's there's a whole lot of mess going on right there. So let's see. Okay, first these cats. Yeah, you didn't draw that with that device, did you? Nor are you doing anything real there. We just have some strokes appearing and disappearing here. I think he's like in an eraser or a selection mode, just doing something because that you're not drawing anything here. So that's a serious strike against being honest. So this is completely false advertising, or at the very least misleading. Oh, God, this hurts. Jesus Christ. Oh, by this, and it's like, this is unintelligible. I mean, honesty, top marks, because they got a close-up mark of the performance of the TopJoy butterfly writing, but oh my god, did you see just how terrible that is? First you get like misalignment between the pen, the latency, this is a complete mess, but honest, an honest mess. Alright, this is not misleading, this is pure false advertising, because the whole word here, about, is fully written out with the handwriting font, on which I have a tutorial, by the way, if you want to check it out in one of the videos. This is fully false advertising, because it's made to look like they wrote all of this on this device with this pen, which is not what you will be able to do. You will be able to do this. That's what you can do on this device. All right, let's go back and enjoy this section once more.
Experience. Let your creativity shine by making sketches and leaving handwriting notes. TopJoy Butterfly fits in your palm or bags and can be carried with you easily. Thanks to its portable and compact design,
Again, I really do like the production quality here. The lighting, the camera quality, and the framing is all pretty good. So there is good production quality done here on everything that's not the device.
TopJoy Butterfly will be your go-to for reading. A powerful hardware setup for super...
Wow, super low latency. Check this out. So we have a touch at 48 seconds.
Hardware setup
still, and at 50. So almost 2 seconds is the super low latency. Look at this.
A powerful hardware setup for super low.
That is, I think they just should have scribbled this super away and then just go slow latency. Then it would be honest. This way, super low latency.
A powerful hardware setup.
It's not. But then again, at the same time, they're showing you what they consider that is super low latency. So there's the honest part there. They didn't cut out, they didn't speed it up or anything like that. So that's a tricky one to weigh out, but all right.
Butterfly will be your go-to for reading. A powerful hardware setup for super low latency in page turning. With built-in Android 11 system, TopJoy supports various file formats and reading apps for effortless reading experience. TopJoy is
super low latency
companion for your kids.
God, that kid is bored.
Color display, built-in noise-canceling box.
What's that noise? The hell is that?
Display. The full-color display, built-in noise-canceling box speakers, and adjustable reading front light make it a perfect reading pad.
Oh, it's night time and those are crickets, I guess, or just something wrong. But as soon as he goes there,
make it a perfect reading pad.
Ding, and the noise goes away. Okay, that was terribly executed and confusing.
Start reading with TopJoy, your everyday reading companion. Let's live.
Yes, because I can't tell you how many times I just had to continue reading while I was brushing my teeth. That was just like absolutely, I absolutely have to continue reading while brushing my teeth. Definitely, it's a perfect companion.
Let's live a simple and colorful life with TopJoy Butterfly.
Okay, did not expect that.
Let's live a simple and colorful life with TopJoy Butterfly.
Hell yeah. Oh, we got a nip slip as well here. Nice. Okay, bold choice. I gotta say, really bold choice. I'm just wondering, maybe there's a cut version, like an editing version of this commercial where you had this dude actually sitting on a toilet seat and reading this thing, because that would have been really authentic. I wish somebody had the guts to actually do that, because yeah, that's where your everyday companion is gonna be at. Not so much in a tub, but yeah, if there if this dude was in a toilet seat, that would be way cooler. But all right, brave choice, pretty brave choice to kind of pretty much ending the commercial on that. Strong, very strong ending.
Companion, let's live a simple and colorful life with TopJoy but
Wait a minute, what did the narrator say?
Joy. Let's live a simple and colorful life with Companion, let's live a simple and colorful life. Let's live a simple and colorful life. Simple and colorful life.
Simple, let's live a simple and colorful lie?
Companion, let's live a simple and colorful life with
Yeah, he's saying let's live a simple and colorful lie. This is awesome.
Reading Companion. Let's live a simple and colorful life with TopJoy Butterfly.
Yeah, he's definitely able to say butterfly with a very clear F.
TopJoy Butterfly.
Yep, and here?
Let's live a simple and colorful life with
Yeah, colorful lie. There's no life.
Companion. Let's live a simple and colorful life with TopJoy.
Top marks for honesty. I mean, I gotta say, if we're judging the honesty here, and their slogan at the end is, let's live a simple and colorful lie. All right. Considering what we've seen before there, the misleading and all that kind of stuff, then this is top marks for honesty.
With TopJoy Butterfly. TopJoy Butterfly, the best e-reader for you.
And why is this one turned back? This one's backed up. We can't really show you the screen, and the other one is not also showing the screen. Oh, this is awesome. Really original choices here. Wow. All right. So what have we learned today? Let's live a simple and colorful lie with TopJoy Butterfly. Well, okay. That was a good choice for the first one. I genuinely did not watch this before, and I'm glad I picked this one. It was just like a strong intuition or something, so did not disappoint at all. This was actually top scores. Now, the whole point of how honest are they is to judge exactly that, the honesty factor. So, how honest are they? Well, very much honest. They are without any shame, showing you how terrible the device is, and also that the TopJoy is not going to bring you any TopJoy, but it's a simple and a wonderful lie. So, honestly dishonest. Weird start. But alright, I will be receiving one, hopefully, because I did pre-order one, so we'll see. We'll be able to see like how does it stack up in reality to the marketing material. But I have high hopes that I'm gonna have terrible results as they have advertised, because that is my expectation now. I hope you liked the video and that you found it informative, and that's it from me. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye.